How to fix Instagram Reels lagging. So if you want to fix your Instagram Reels lagging problem, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you won't be able to load your Reels. Once you check your internet connection, now you need to open up your Instagram. Once you open it up, go with profile, which is on the bottom right, go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, scroll down, and here you will have an option of data usage and media quality. And here if you've saved the data usage or the data saver, then you just need to simply toggle it off. And once you toggle it off, then your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply remove the app's cache. Tap and hold on to your Instagram application, go with the app info, and go with storage and cache, and choose the clear cache option. Once you clear your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just go with your Play Store or your App Store, go with search. Under search, you can search for Instagram. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your Instagram, then just simply go with update and update your Instagram application. Once you update it, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Instagram Reels lag, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.